Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is an info channel. I'm the Shamati guys. Today's video I'm gonna talk about health benefits of following the vegan diet. Okay, I'm saying about what is the benefits you just get while you following the vegan diet. So here's the thing, I got listed the benefits of the vegan diet. So just be get in the video, you just gonna learn a lot of things here, guys. Okay, let's begin. The thing is, the first benefit if you follow a vegan diet is that's very interesting benefit. You know what was that is it contains very great effect on your body. I mean, God, I just says the thing is. If you follow on a vegan diet, it just makes you much healthier because the vegan diet contains a more rich vitamins and nutrition. So that's the thing we talk about. The vegan diet is one of the best diet in the world, so that's we gonna speak to make this video. So I'm gonna say that it contains a lot of B12 and it also contains a lot of vitamins that are good for your health, guys. So let's move to the another thing about this vegan diet is that's a great diet. So I already says that thing it was a great diet, but now I gotta say about what are the further benefits that just gives you to your body. So the further benefits means if you are planned for lose your weight, that's the best diet. It's a vegan diet, guys, because the study shows that vegan diets helps the people to get lose their weights. The thing is, vegan diets makes you more healthier. So that's the main point of this video. So I gotta say the thing is, vegan diet helps you to lose body weight. So if you like to lose your weight, just follow the vegan diet. That's a very great thing, guys. So let's move on. The another tip about this vegan diet is very interesting. The diet about this vegan, it was great because why that vegan diet helps you to lower your blood sugar. Okay, blood sugar level is lowered by following the vegan diet. Okay, just good for the diabetes. Okay, the diabetes means I say about the type 2 diabetes. It's just good for the type 2 diabetes. It just lower your blood sugar levels. So that's why we all follow a vegan diet. It's sort of the best diet around the world. So that's what I gonna say here, guys. So it's also good for your kidneys, guys. Yeah, that's one of the best studies. Study shows that thing is vegan diet is good for your kidneys. So let's move on. The another benefits of this vegan diet is okay, guys. Here's the thing, vegan diet is a very good diet. Okay, it says that it's a good to improve your overall health. So we just follow on a vegan diet is good for your health. It's just good for your overall health. So that's why it says that what you can eat in the vegan diet. Okay, I got listed the foods that are only eaten by the vegans. Okay, I say that not only by the vegans. I say that these are the foods are very essential for following the vegan diet, and these are the vegan foods, guys. So let's get to the thing is, so if you are a vegan, you must eat rice, pasta, and think what's that, it's breads. These are the only things you have to eat in vegan, and also you just eat all kind of vegetables and fruits and nuts. And the other thing is you have to eat that vegetable oils. Okay, that was a great food for in vegan. And also you just drink soy milk, coconut milk. And okay, guys, I believe that you enjoy this video, and these are the foods for a vegan diet. Okay, and these are the health benefits of following the vegan diet. I believe that you enjoy this thing, and this is Info channel. I'm the Shamati, guys. If you like this video, just subscribe our channel and share our videos, and see you next video, guys.